Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're just going to be playing some Roblox. And yeah, let's get into it. So we're gonna be playing a very scary game called, obviously, The Mimic. You guys have probably heard of it before. Just like supposed to be one of the most scary games on Roblox. So here it is. Ooh, scary. Let's get started. Roblox is loading. This can be scary. Like I like So sounds aren't going to be included in this video, like game sounds, because this game is kind of scary. Um, so but yeah, with my game, it's like laggy. Menu's always really laggy since there's so much people and stuff, and such high graphics. Let me just turn my graphics down a little bit. Graphics mode, manual, graphics quality. That's a lot better. Yeah, just push play and so um I could join, or I could create one. I'm just gonna start solo, or I guess I'll just start a party. Or never mind, I'm starting solo. Okay, well, this is gonna be really, really scary. Um, Game contains flashing lights and jump scares. Yeah, warning for everyone watching. Guys, watch out. Best experience with headphones. Yep. It's just us, guys. Okay, okay. Believe we go in this room. Yes, I have to find the key. G. Okay, it's fine. Probably in one of these drawers over here. No? Okay. Okay, you want out the windows? I can actually push the boxes around. That's actually pretty cool. Real cool game feature. I open it. Guess maybe I can't. You guys are probably laughing at me. Oh yeah, here it is. There we go. It hurts to see you like this, brother. I wish you had a little more time. Tell you my regrets. I won't rest until I find out what really happened. Okay, okay, okay. Ooh. Oh, guess I'm just on a boat. Moon looks a little strange. Oh yeah, it does look strange. What the heck? Yo, come on, keep going, keep going. No, no, what is that? What is that? No, please. Come on, go, go, go. Oh my god. What is that? Did we die? What? Oh my god, man. Oh my god. What the heck? Yo. It's not good. It's not good at all, guys. Oh, I don't want to be here. I'm getting some Resident Evil type vibes in a Roblox game. That's crazy. Props to the owner of this game. I forgot who made it though. Maybe I'll check later. I don't know. Whale? Maybe. Probably not. Most definitely not. Little fishy. Hi, Mr. Fishy. Okay, guys. Cool, cool. The Barbie dolls. What's over here? Room does still look. Moon does still look weird. Maybe I just made a wrong turn. Maybe it was all a hallucination. Me crashing, me seeing that monster. I hear footsteps, and I'm like not happy about it. Oh yeah, that rope. I heard that that rope protects you from whatever's over there. Yeah, another one of those ropes. Oh, chill, chill. What is this? Do I want to read that? Barbie dolls. Rats are poisoned by the well for her to consume. You must ring the bell. Okay. I should read the book first before I ring any bells. In a small village, there lived two orphan sisters. The two sisters lived in poverty and constantly starved themselves. One day, Mia, the younger, arrived overfilled with joy. Reen, the older one, became skeptical about her. She questioned Mia was never telling her why she was so joyful. As the days went by, Reen came to a final thought that Reen must have been eating well without her. Jealously overtook Reen and satisfied her. She consumed her own sister. Reen came to a realization that Mia had been secretly saving money for the both of them. She became haunted with extreme guilt, leading to a mysterious appearance of a second mouth on the back of her head. The mouth of her sister. Wait, actually, it was the mouth of her sister. Constantly wailed for the food, otherwise Rin would get an ache and extreme pain. It was the mouth of her sister. What? I gotta find some rats. Wait, is there a rat in the room? There are hats. I hear you, rat. Chill out. I'm about to save you. You poisoned rat. What's up, rat? So I already got the first rat. I'm scared. I'm really scared, guys. Let me go get the second rat. Hear it. Mr. Rat. Oh, what? Ah! Oh, 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 chill. Oh yeah, I was already this way. Chill. No. Oh, oh, I was in one of those rope rooms, just barely. Oh, oh, oh my God, guys. Not having this. No, no. Ah!